YouTube, here's a quick DIY on how to rust-proof your truck bed. This particular bed is off a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. These are notorious for rotting out on the arch here, and one way to eliminate that is to cut out the inner fender. Looks like this. You start by hitting all the spot welds, drilling them out. See all the way, and it stops about right here on both sides. And now you'll have a nice clean open shot, so no salt, mud, or any of that bad stuff could sit there and right out the arches here. And it's the foam here that gets wet. You can see once it gets wet, it's pretty difficult for it to dry, and you see right here rust starting. Not good. Now these usually get wet because of this post hole here. You see right down there, the fender would be where my fingers are. It gets wet in there, can't dry out. But yeah, these beds are starting to become very hard to find, rust-free, original, and hopefully more people start doing this. The bed still has its structural integrity. It's still solid, and that's it.